Hello students, welcome back to our second session on the same topic, working with HTML. I hope whatever we have learned in the session 1 is very clear for you all. Now we are going to learn some more tags. Okay, let us start. You can see what is displayed on my screen, bold tag. You already know what is bold, what is italic and what is underlined because you all have used it in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, WordPad, all everywhere you people have used it. Here also it is the same thing. Suppose if you want to display bold letters or italic word or underline to a text, how it should be done in the web browser, because in the web browser we don't have any buttons to make them bold, italic and underline, right? So using the tag only, we are going to specify that this word should be bold, this word should be italic, and this word should be underlined. So how we have a tag called B that should be written in the angular bracket and it has a end tag. And if you write the same thing I, it will be italics. And if you write with the tag U underline, that will be underlined. I hope it is clear. Same thing, let us see practically how exactly it is going to work. I'll just open my notepad and also I will open my web browser to see how exactly it works. Let us start with bold. I will do one thing. At the end of this line, I will just write BR. That is to start from the next line. So whatever I am displaying now here will be displayed in the next line. So B. Now here what I will write, Sri Chaitanya School. Okay, and I will write just close the bold tag. So same thing, let us write in the italics also. So before that, again I will write BR tag to go for next line. Here I will write I. Okay, then again I will write Sri Chaitanya School. Okay, and then just close it by ending tag with the forward slash. Again, I'm going to write the same thing with underline tag. What I will write? Sri Chaitanya School. And I'll just close it by forward slash U. Here also I will write the tag BR, go for next line, and here also I will write the tag for the next line. So I have written the same word in using bold tag and using italic tag and as well as using underline tag. Now for all the things I have given break so that it should come in different lines. I will just save it by pressing Ctrl S. I will go to the browser, click in the browser and press F5, that is refresh key. So you can see Sri Chaitanya School. First one is written in bold letters and you can see Sri Chaitanya School. Second line it has become italic and Sri Chaitanya School. Third line it has become underlined. Right. So B is for bold, I is for italics and U is for underline. I hope it is clear for you all. Next, go back to our presentation slideshow. That is our slide wherever we were learning. Next is mark tag. What does this mark tag will do? Mark tag highlights the text which is specified under mark tag. Means it will highlight the text it seems. We shall see how exactly it works practically. Then what is the next one? Big element. What is this big element? See, it displays the text in a bigger font size compared to the other words in the sentence. Suppose I'm writing one sentence, in that only one word I want to highlight. So I can use a big command, only that word will be bigger than the normal text of that sentence. Then small. So only selected word will be smaller than the sentence whatever we have written. Let us see how exactly it works. All these tags also we shall practice and we shall see. Okay. Now here in the next line I will write one sentence. Welcome. Oh, sorry. HTML tag are used to create. What I will do? I will use mark and I will write here what web pages and I will just slash mark. Let us see what will happen. Create web pages in the websites. Something I will write. Okay. Just I will save this. Go to the browser. Just do the refresh. See how web pages is marked there with yellow color light. Right. So what happened? Only that is highlighted. It is highlighted with a yellow color paint. Like how your science teacher or your social teacher, when they will explain the lesson, you will take that marker which will write very light color and you will mark in your textbook that it is important. Like that, here also it is marked like that. Now, next also we learned big, right? So HTML, this word I want it to come in the bigger size. So let me write big for this and this also I will just close big and I will save this. So what will happen? Let us see. Now HTML, whatever the size is there, that should be little bigger than whatever is displayed. And now you can observe it has grown. It is bigger in size now. Now what I will do, you know, websites, whatever the normal text is there, this websites, I will just make it still smaller. How to do that? We shall see. What we have to write to make it small? We have to write is small. Small is the tag for that, right? So I just wrote small here and I'm just ending it the tag with the forward slash small. So whatever the size is there, it will become lesser, smaller than that size now. Let us refresh. See websites, you can observe whatever the text is there in that website has become more smaller than that text. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Let us go back to our presentation again to see what is the next tag. Okay, next is strike tag. What it will do? A strike tag or a tag will strike the text which is given within the strike tag. Means I think it will draw one slash, one line like this on the text so that it will be striked out. Okay, to strike it. Then what is this horizontal tag? It is used to draw a horizontal line in the web page. It is used to draw a horizontal line in the web page. Let us see how exactly these two tags will work. I'll just go back to my notepad as well as my browser page. So I want to strike out something. What I want to strike out? So I'm just writing something. What I will write? I'm writing something. For example, computer. I want to strike it out on this and see how exactly it comes. So strike and then I will end it with one end tag or strike using the forward slash. And before this, I will write the BR tag so that it will come in the next line. Okay, now you see. I went to the browser. I'll just refresh this. You can see computer is printed and on that word itself, one line is visible. That is, it is striked. It is striked out. Okay, so that is used for strike. Now next is, what was the command we learned? That is HR, that is horizontal rule. Means wherever we write the HR tag, one horizontal rule will come. So where shall we write? Shall we write here after this? Okay, here I will write HR. Okay, I'll just save this and I'll just refresh. You can see one horizontal rule is visible on my web page. It is also an empty tag. I did not close it, right? Because I just told to draw one line. That's all. So it drew one line. It is an empty tag. Okay, so till now we have learned two empty tags, that is break as well as horizontal rule. Let us go back to our presentation. Okay, I hope till here whatever we have learned, it is very clear for you. Now next is superscript tag and subscript tag. You all know what is superscript, and as well as you all know what is subscript also. Superscript means when we write above the alphabets, that is a square, square will be written on the top, right? But when we take a subscript, when we write the below the normal text, that is for example CO2, whatever is given in the slide, I will just tell you that CO2, O, below O we will write the 2, so it is called as subscript. To write this, we have a tag called SUP. SUP means superscript. SUB means subscript. Super, sub. Always don't get confused with super and subscript. So super means on the top, subscript means on the bottom. Let us see how exactly it works. I'll just go back to my notepad and I'll go to my web browser. I will just go to the last thing, and here before I write that, I will just use BR, go, and here see what first I should not write superscript. What? Superscript only to write on the top. So A should be written as it is. In front of A, super, then 2, close the superscript, because again everything will come on the top only if you are not going. Okay, then plus, then B, what? Again square should come, so super, and then 2 will come here, and I will just close this and super. Okay, just I have written this much. So what will be the output on my web browser now? A square plus B square should be displayed. I will just save this. I'll go to my web browser. Just click on the web browser and refresh. You can see A square plus B square. It is written on my screen. Now let us see how exactly the subscript will work. Okay, CO. It should be written in the normal text only. Then sub, close, 2 should come under the O. So close this tag by subscript and just save this. And before this, I will write here break so that it will be displayed in the next line. Save this, go to your element and press F5. You can see CO2, 2 is written below the normal text, right? So this is a subscript. I hope it is very clear for you all. Let us go back to our presentation for further this thing. So you all understood properly what is a superscript tag and what is a subscript tag. I hope it is very clear till here for you all. Okay, whatever the tags I have taught you today, I want all of you to practice in your home so that you will become very familiar. For this, you people no need to download any application, as you can do it in Notepad, which will be there in everybody's laptop or your desktop. Just write all these tags and practice it. If you have any doubts, we will clear it. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.